Hi fellas, welcome back to Amar Fisher Tech channel. Haha, welcome back as always. Ah, Today was a pretty productive day. I've swapped a brand new TS9 purple one. Right now I'm gluing the P10 Lite, the Huawei, with a brand new screen and nothing. Now I'm kinda relaxing, kinda deserved it. I know, we got an unboxing. Ah, Came just today. I went to the post office from Zhu Jiaofeng, Zhao Jing, Zhenju and Anna. Shipped to Maker Fisher. To the courtesy of Maker Fisher. So, let's unbox it. As always, the super knife. Let's see what we got here. Juicy. Soldering tip for TS100. And another soldering tip for TS100. Both with the conical shape. I would call them salame sliced, so sliced sideways, which are pretty good for SMD reworking. I mean, till now this is my TS100, as you already know, as you can see it, TS100, and as you can see I was using the standard tip, the conical one, which it came with the solder itself. Not possible to focus it. Hello. Okay, classical conical. And here we have two brand new tips. What do we do? We unpack it already? We can. I just cut them wrong. Oh, but it's this, that's supposed to be open. I see. Oops. As you can see, as I was saying before, this tip is not conical and it's cut it sideways. This is the same, just tinier. Not possible to focus. As you saw, my brand new two tips for my TS100. As you can see here, there are all the, I think that I will buy the TSK, which right now I miss. My next order, TSK would be nice too. No focus. Okay, thank you. So, for now it's everything. Thank you for staying tuned, and as always, see you soon.